Alrighty, so this is an example of a printed project for CAD 107, Introduction to 3D Printing. And we've printed these pumpkins and we're using build plate support. And so that's what this material is right here. Because what happens is that the extrusion head can't print this area without having a foundation. And so it prints the foundation, so when we get up to a point where we can print that relief or that feature, that there is a base for it. And that's all good when everything works. Sometimes it doesn't. So here's the second build plate. To give an example of what can happen when the material doesn't stick. And so here's an example of that, where it still continues to try to print the material layer by layer, but once it comes off the foundation or comes off of the build plate itself, then the alignment is lost. And when you lose the alignment, you'll get these bird nests of material. All right, that ends this short video.